Big back and forth.
Too fast.
Ooh, look at it go.
Getting some distance on that one. Oh, that's a big one.
They're pretty. We should make our own bubble bath, bubble solution.
Dishwasher's up in a little bit of water.
Yeah, that's what they say. Uh-oh.
Sure did, didn't it?
Get him.
He's gonna use his balance, fall backward, and sit right in a puddle.
Yeah. He's got to get like 4 or 5 stomps in on every one of them.
Make sure it's dead. Get it.
Who's after it? Go get it!